Good morning, Class 4Y. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. Sadly, I wasn't able to be there yesterday because I was a little bit occupied, so at least I'm here today. And Mrs. Kennedy is going to be doing some multiplication of hundreds and thousands.
And tens.
And tens, of course.
Thank you, Will. Now, there's something I want to show you here is what I've made, and you might want to make one. This is a place value board. My decimal point is here, and I've put tenths, hundredths, then on the other side units, tens, hundreds, thousands. You might just want to have one of those, make it, and you might want to have your digit cards ready. And you'll also notice I've got some zeros, my zooming zeros at the side. Now, in your daily review, sometimes people are struggling with the multiplication problem, so I'm going to demonstrate it for you. To start with, we're going to have a go at 6.8 times 10. And I'm actually going to make it. I'm going to put my 6. If you really film on this bit for me, Will. So I've got my 6.8 and I'm going to multiply it by 10. So it's going to get bigger. So when I'm getting something bigger, I've done an arrow, my numbers are going to move that direction.
To the left.
So if I'm timesing it by 10, they've got to move one place.
So, if we have a look at it,
there.
Move, and there.
And I always sneak in my zoom in zero to fill in the missing spot. So keep that really still on there for me, Will. I've got 6.8 times 10 is 68.0. Let's try another one. I've got 6.3 times 10. Timesing it by 10, so it's going to get bigger, it's going to move to the left. Timesing it by 10, they all jump one place.
Whoop.
So it's 63. Now I'm going to put my zoom in zero in that missing space. So the answer for that is 63.0. Let's try some more, but we're going to do it timesing it by 100. Well, so if I've got 5.3 times by 100. So I'm going to start and put my 5.3 in here. Now I'm going to go slowly on this one. So if you really film on there, I'm going to times it by 100. There's going to be two places it's going to move. There are two zeros. So watch. My 5 is in the units. I'm going to move it two places. 1, 2. I'm then going to move the 3 two places. And in those missing spots, in come my zooming zeros. So my answer is 530.0. Or you could just write 530. I'm going to do one more and show you, but you would really, if this is tricky, you'd really benefit from having this board all made up. Okay, right. So this one is 5.2 times 100. So to start with my digit cards, I'm putting my 5.2 already. And I'm going to times it by 100. So how many places, Will?
2 to the left.
Okay, why are you laughing? Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. In comes my zoom in zeros. What's the answer?
520.
Or 520.0. Now, just because sometimes you might be asked not to multiply, you might be asked to divide. And when you divide,
to the right.
it's going to go to the right because the number's going to get smaller. So I'm going to just have a go at one division. 75.2 divided by 10. So let me put my 75.2 divided by 10. 1 0, one place it moves. Off we go.
So it'd be 7.52.
So there you go. I hope that's helped. My top advice for you is make yourself a board like this. There's your decimal point that never moves, like Juliet with her drum. And then use your digit cards to help.
Hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Good advice there. If you're struggling with multiplication by tens, thousands, and units. So I will see you guys later.
I think we need some cake, Will.
Oh, yeah.
Chocolate cake. It's in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Right.
Cake.
Bye.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.